So what are the ways that we really install an experience? And part of it's to know it's happening, to saturate, and to really appreciate it. That's part of the installation. So I want to practice with you. I want to practice getting a taste of how to install an experience. Letting this pause be an invitation to sense what's right here. So just begin with mindfulness, because everything we're talking about requires mindfulness. To install a positive experience requires mindfulness. Attention to when we're having a good experience. Attention to what it feels like. And you might sense more for yourself right now, what is it that you really want to experience more regularly? Is it peace? Is it gratitude? Is it love? For right now, we'll explore just deepening and installing more of that sense of loving care. And you might bring to mind an experience with another person, someone that is easy for you to feel love with, to begin with. And bring that person to mind. Sense them right here, close in, so you can remind yourself of how come you feel loving with them. You might see the look in their eyes when they're feeling loving towards you, the expression on their face. And you might remind yourself of qualities you love about them, how they look when they're happy, when they're amused or entertained. When they're laughing, or in a really tender place maybe. Reminding yourself of their goodness, basic intention to be honest, to be caring. As you begin to sense in your body, what's the felt experience of loving this person? What's it like? You might mentally whisper the person's name and say thank you, just to feel it, just sense your appreciation and notice how that loving grows in your body. Imagining them receiving your thanks and the connection very alive. Letting the feelings of love be as full and strong as they might be. For some, it's lovely to put your hand on your heart and just feel that you're just inviting the feelings of love to be as much as they are. You might even mentally whisper the person's name, I love you. And just say their name and say, I love you. And just imagine them receiving that. Letting the feelings be as full as they are and sensing what matters about this loving to you, what makes you value it, how it's relevant to you. Sense how it's not always so accessible, and this, the valuing and just the kind of the wonder of it. Wow, just beautiful to have that tenderness. Just sensing a freshness in experiencing it. And feeling the loving as if it's possible to let it into your body and your cells even more, as if it could just saturate you. Like you're a sponge just filling up with water, or as if there's a syrup that could just completely fill you. Golden syrup is covering and saturating and filling your being. You can bathe in it. Really letting yourself let it in. Ah, this loving, let it fill me. And if it helps, just to mentally whisper the person's name and say, I love you. And just feel it again, just really light and warmth filling you. And sense what you want to remember about this. Know that you're rewiring your brain, your heart, your body, your mind. And that the more times you do this, the more you really give it 20, 30 seconds to feel directly the loving, the more access you have to this very innate capacity in your being.